Meanwhile, seeks agreement on the implementation of the DA's organic agriculture program by several local government units were questioned at the lower house. Kabataan Party List Solon Terry Redon says two persons with links to Napoles were among the signatory witnesses to the accords. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
Several local government units may be linked with Janet Napoles in the implementation of the Organic Agriculture Program of the Department of Agriculture. Kabataan Party List Congressman Terry Redon bared before the budget hearings of the Department of Agriculture a list of agreements involving LGUs from Surigao del Sur, Pangasinan, and Nueva Ecija, sourced from the DA's database, which provided funding for programs covering organic agriculture. Redon said based on the documents that John Lim, nephew of Janet Lim Napoles, was a witness in 6 of the agreements. One of the whistleblowers, Marlene Sunes, signed as witness for an agreement with the local government of Umingan, Pangasinan. Redon questioned these agreements and asked if a nephew of Napoles is really a witness or a proponent of these projects.
Lump sum amounts po kasi, di ba? So, hindi naman ito PDAF eh. Parang these are non-pork disbursements which are clearly within yung executive functions already. So, can we get a commitment for the second?
Tama po, Mr. Chairman. Actually po, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagbibigay ninyo ng komentaryo tungkol dito. At makakaasa po kayo na iaayos po namin agad at ipapa-investigahan po agad ito at maintindihan natin yung sa inyong tinukoy ngayong araw na ito.
We don't question the DA if the processing of the agreements is above board. Undersecretary Antonio Fletes said the agreements were reviewed by the legal office.
Ang LGU po ang nakaalam kung sino po itong mga ito. At ang sabi ko nga po, kami naman po, ginagawa po namin ang mga dokumento. Hindi naman po kami para pumunta ulit doon sa Umingan para i-check po namin. Meron po kaming committee na nag-check na po kung sino po yung particular na NGOs na pagbibigyan nun. Sapagkat yan po ay trabaho na po ng LGU. Sapagkat si LGU po ibigay. Yun lang po ang aking sinasabi. Pero nais ko sana pong ituwid na hindi naman po ako nagpapalusot. Nagsasabi po ako ng totoo.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.